Hello, in this video we're going to derive an equation for the production possibilities frontier. Consider the production of two goods, good X and good Y. The production function for good Y is given as follows: Y equals 2 times L, where L is units of labor. And the production function for good X is given by X equals the square root of labor. Let's assume there are 200 units of labor that can be allocated to produce either good X or good Y. Therefore, 200 equals the labor employed in the production of good X plus the labor employed in the production of good Y. Our goal here is to derive the production possibilities frontier. So here are three equations: the production function of good Y, the production function of good X, and the constraint that we only have 200 units of labor that can be allocated between the production of good X and the production of good Y. First thing we're going to do, we're going to solve equation 2 for L, or L subscript X. So we're going to take this middle equation here and solve it for L. So we're going to take the square of both sides. Doing that, L equals X squared. We're going to plug this result into equation 3. So where we have L subscript X in equation 3, we're going to place that with X squared. So upon substitution, we have this result. Now let's solve this equation for L subscript Y. Doing that, we have this. And now we're going to plug this result into equation 1. Equation 1 on top here, where we have L subscript Y. We're going to replace it with 200 minus X squared. So making that substitution in for L subscript Y, and now simplifying. That is our production possibilities frontier. Here's a graph of it. We have a vertical intercept of this PPF curve at 400 and a horizontal intercept here slightly greater than 14. Notice here that the vertical intercept of the production possibilities frontier could be found as follows. If all 200 workers are allocated to the production of good Y, the maximum output of good Y is, so just evaluating the production function of good Y at 200, we get 400 units of good Y. And we could also find the horizontal intercept of the PPF. If all 200 workers are allocated to the production of good X, maximum output of good X is as follows. Plugging 200 into the production function of good X and taking the square root of that, we get 14.142. Okay, that's it.